everyone! Are you ready to take your career to the next level? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the Young Professional Fellowship 2024 in Brazil through the itsstudent.com portal. Let's get started. First, head over to itsstudent.com. It's your one-stop platform for all the best global opportunities like scholarships, fellowships, internships, and more. Let's scroll down and search for the Young Professional Fellowship in Brazil. You can easily find it under the Featured Programs section. Once you click on the fellowship, it'll take you to this detailed page. Here, you can see all the benefits, eligibility criteria, and important dates for the fellowship. Ready to apply? Hit the Apply Now button, and we're off. Now, just follow these easy steps to complete your application. First, enter your personal details like your name, email, and country. Super simple, right? Next, it's time to tell them what makes you a great fit for this fellowship. In this section, share your achievements, your passion for global issues, and what motivates you to apply. Remember, the more specific and genuine you are, the better. Once you've filled everything out, don't forget to pay the application fee. It's just $30, and it secures your spot for this amazing opportunity. You'll be one step closer to meeting leaders from all over the world in Brazil. Now, review everything, make sure all the details are correct, and when you're ready, hit that Submit button. That's it! You've officially applied for the Young Professional Fellowship in Brazil, and that's all it takes. A few simple steps and you're on your way to an unforgettable experience in Brazil with like-minded young professionals. So what are you waiting for? Apply now through itsstudent.com and make your dreams come true.